Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you can you play FACEIT without Prime? Explain. In this quick tutorial, let's explain how to play FACEIT without Prime and CS2 or CSGO. Prime is a feature involves official matchmaking that matches you with other Prime players, helping reduce cheaters and unlocking exclusive ranks and drops. However, FACEIT operates independently with its own matchmaking, ranks, servers, and anti-cheat system. So Prime status isn't required. To play on FACEIT, all you need is a Steam account that meets basic requirements, no active VAC or game bans, and a FACEIT anti-cheat installed. The benefits include free access to ranked matches, strong anti-cheat protection, and a more competitive environment. The only downsides are that some premium hubs may require Prime, Smurfs can still appear at lower levels, and installing the FACEIT AC is mandatory. Overall, your CS2 account doesn't need Prime to enjoy FACEIT's competitive gameplay. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.